Hi viewers, this is engineer Mazhar Abbas. Today with a new topic, how to calculate concrete quantity in a staircase on my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Help Desk. Before going to start my video, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Viewers, today we have a very important topic because normally you can very easily calculate quantity of concrete for slab, for column, for beam. But for staircase, it is slightly different. Viewers, first of all, we will discuss the part of a staircase. This is a staircase. This is a straight type of staircase in which we have riser. This is called thread. This line is called soffit, and these are two landing platforms. Viewers, this portion from this part to this part, this is called stair waist. Viewers, first of all, if you want to calculate the quantity of concrete for staircase, you must follow these three steps. What are these three steps? First step is calculate volume of steps. These are called steps. These are called steps. First of all, you will calculate the volume of concrete for these steps. Now, second step, calculate volume of waste. Then you have to calculate the volume of concrete for this waste, this staircase waste. After that, calculate volume of landing platform. We have two landing platform. Then we will calculate volume of concrete for these two platform, and then we sum up these three values and we get the total concrete for this staircase. So first of all, we will calculate the concrete for steps. Viewers, this is the cross sectional diagram of steps. We have riser 150 mm. The dimension of riser is 150 mm and the dimension of thread is 250 mm. It is according to standard. Always riser is 150. The minimum dimension for riser is 150 and the minimum dimension for thread is 250. And next thing, the width of the staircase. The width of the staircase is 1 meter. This is the cross section in which we can see that the width of staircase is 1 meter. We are, first of all, we will calculate the volume of this step. This step. So what we have to do, we know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height, but this is of triangular shape. This is not a rectangular or a square. This is triangle. So we have to apply the formula of triangle. So first of all, we will work on step number 1. In step number 1, you have perpendicular, you have base, or you can say that first of all you will calculate area for this figure. Area is equal to, if you have right angle triangle, area is equal to riser into thread, or you can say perpendicular into base. This is the formula for area of right angle triangle. But here perpendicular is riser and base is your thread. So after that we will put values, because we have values. We have riser 150 mm. You know that we will use metric system, meter, not mm. So we will convert this into meter. By dividing by 1000 it will be converted into meter. So 150 divided by 1000, it will 0.150. Multiply by thread. Thread is 250 mm. It's mean 0.25 mm, converting into meter. So this is our values we put in this formula, and after calculating we get 0.150 multiply by 0.250 and dividing by 2, we get 0.01875 meter square. So this is the area for this figure, for this step. but we want to calculate the volume. So we are, for volume we have to multiply this area by other dimension, and other dimension is width. This is area, we have to multiply area by this width of stair, because this is the width of stair. So volume of step is equal to area, which is 0.01875, multiply by other dimension, which is width. Width is 1 meter, multiply 1, multiply 1, this will come again 0.1876 cubic meter. So it's mean, for one step, for this one step you need 0.01875 cubic meter concrete for this one step. But viewers, we want to calculate concrete for this all step. So don't worry, you just know the number of steps. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and this is 11. We have total 11 steps. So don't worry, just multiply total concrete volume of one step multiply by number of steps. We have calculated volume 0.01876 multiply by number of steps. We have total 11 steps. So after multiplying we get 0.20625 cubic meter. It's mean, for steps of this staircase, viewers, for these step we need 0.206 cubic meter concrete. Now move forward. Now we will work for this waste. This is called waste. Viewers, if you notice, this waste dimension is 4 meter, and parallel to this is also straight, also uniform. It's mean the width here is 200 mm, you will find here also 2 mm, here also 2 mm. It's mean the waist of the staircase is always uniform. So you can easily calculate the quantity of concrete for this waste. So simply we can draw figure like here. This is 4 meter, this dimension is 0.200, and this is also 4 meter. You can see in diagram, this is 4 meter, it's mean opposite to this is also 4 meter, and width is 200 mm. So easily we can calculate volume for this waste. Volume is length into breadth into height. We have length 4 meter, we have breadth 1 meter, we have height 0.200. Breadth, this is the breadth of this staircase. After multiplying and solving we get 0.8 cubic meter. It's mean for waste of this staircase, for this waste we need 0.8 cubic meter concrete. Now comes to us this landing platform. We have two landing platform. First we will work for this platform. Now this landing platform has 1 meter length, 200 mm height, and its width is also 1 meter. So its volume will be calculated 1 meter its height, width is also 1 meter, and its height is 0.200. So after multiplying we get 0.2 cubic meter concrete. So for this landing platform we need 0.2 cubic meter concrete. Now we will work for this platform. We can calculate similarly to this, but the dimension is same. 1 meter, its length is 1.5 meter, its width is also 1 meter, and thickness is 0.200, or you can say height. After calculating we will get 0.3 cubic meter. So we have calculated quantity for this steps, we have calculated quantity for this waste, we have calculated quantity for these two steps. Now we have concrete quantities for all part of this staircase. So finally we can calculate whole quantity. So whole quantity will come, first of all we get 0.0187, sorry, zero point 0.2 for steps, zero point 0.8 from waste of slab, plus zero point 0.2 from first landing platform, plus 0.3 for other second landing platform. So after adding these four value, we get 1.5 cubic meter. Viewers, this is how we calculated the quantity of concrete for this staircase. Hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload any video. Thank you.